Why is Frank kind of stinky?
Because he gave me the bath.
Yeah, he did. Mommy gave him a bath. Frank, are you stinky? Are you stinky? Did you poop? Did you poop? What can you say for Mommy? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say bye-bye? Can you say please?
Mommy.
Yeah?
I go so.
Somebody is kind of stinky here. Who's stinky?